Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Airtable for brand tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into Airtable for brand tracking, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type www.airtable.com and press enter. This will take you to the Airtable homepage. Look for the login button on the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields to enter your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your Airtable account. Next, type in your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will see your Airtable dashboard. From here, navigate to the workspace where you want to track your brand. If you don't have a workspace already, you can create one by clicking on the Create a Base button. Choose a template if needed, or start from scratch. Now that you're logged in and set up, you can begin tracking your brand by adding records and collaborating with your team. Explore Airtable's features to customize your brand tracking experience. You're now ready to effectively manage your brand insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.